You need a ball and 6 markers you can dribble around. Keep the ball close to your feet and stay light on your toes. Use the inside and outside of your feet to move the ball. Accelerate quickly away from each marker. Keep your head up. Keep practicing until you're ready to take the challenge and claim your trophy.
What is the most used turn in the game? It's this one, the outside hook turn. It helps players to turn and protect the ball. Place your standing foot to the outside of the ball. When the ball's in line with your standing foot, bring the other foot round and use the outside of the foot to hook the ball back in the opposite direction. Keep low and with bent knees to help you accelerate quickly in the opposite direction. Practice this turn until you're ready to take the challenge. Want to change direction quickly with the ball? This Top Deckers is the stop turn and is a really fast turn. You need a safe area and a ball. Dribble to the line with the ball in front of you. Use the sole of your foot to stop the ball under your body. Place your feet just past the ball. Use the outside of the foot nearest to the ball to move the ball away. Dribble back to the start line and do the turn again. Bend your knees and keep low when performing the move. Bend your knees and keep low when performing the move. Practice until you're ready to take the challenge. It's awesome having Top Deckers. This Top Deckers is called Inside Outside. It's one of the most important skills to learn. Move the ball forwards with the outside of your foot, then the inside. Then the outside. Stay on your toes and make small touches to help you stay in control. Bend your knees to help you go faster. Now go and practice inside-outside until you're ready.
Welcome to the Juggling Thigh Top Deckers. Start with the ball in your hands. Stay light on your toes so you can move your feet. If you drop the ball, start again. Use the middle of your thigh to juggle. Get your knee high when you make contact with the ball. Keep your hips behind the ball.
You need to pass your ball in the air so you can get more distance and go over the heads of defenders. Use the lofted pass for this. Start with the ball still for this, top techers. Approach the ball slightly side on. Place your foot next to the ball with your toes pointing at your target. Strike under the ball and lean back slightly to help you get height. Go practice until you're ready for the challenge. It's awesome having top techers.
What we're going to do is going to work on ball control and receiving, alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to always play a ball from that red square into your white square. Can you see it? Yeah? All I'm going to do is going to ask you to do a certain touch with a certain part of your foot and then play the ball back to you. Does that make sense? I'll show you what to do first. So the first one, alright, I'm going to play the ball into you and you're going to receive the ball on the inside of your foot. So as I play it in, receive it on the inside of your foot, good lad, then play it straight back, yeah? So the inside of my foot, play it straight back. Yeah, does that sound alright? Yeah? What you've got to try and do, mate, is keep it inside this square. Happy? Yeah? Let's go in. Inside of the foot. Good lad. Inside of the foot. Play. Inside of the foot. Play. Good lad. You see how you used your right foot then? I want you to try and now use your left foot. So as I'm playing it in, same rule applies. Nice touch. Good. And then play. Good lad. Well done. On time. So can you now control with the outside of your foot? Touch. Little look again. And then play. Good lad. Remember to keep it inside that box, all right? You see the colours behind you? All right, we're going to work on like a reaction game, all right? So as the ball's in here, you've still got to control it inside the square. But as the ball's coming in, yeah, so we'll go right back to the first one we did. So it's inside, play. As you've played it, I'm going to shout a colour, all right? And you're going to run to one of them colours. What do you think you might need to do to know where them colours are? Check your what? Check your shoulder. Good answer, mate, all right? So as the ball's coming in here, inside of the foot, play it and just have a little look, because then I might shout blue, and you're going to have to get to blue really quick. Get round it, and then back in again, yeah? Nice touch. Play it. As you've played it, little look just to check where you are. So if I'm a defender in a football match, you need to know where the space is, don't you? So as you've played it in, just check your shoulder, see there's no defender there, and get yourself into that space. That's what it could be, that's what it might look like, couldn't it? Ready? On your toes? Good lad. Play it inside, play it back in, orange. Good. Good lad, well done. Inside of the foot, good, play it in. Yellow, off you go, quick, nice and quick, nice and quick. Move them feet. Good lad, and time. Perfect that, mate, well done. Good awareness. So you see how you have to check that shoulder quickly to know where you have to go to? Otherwise you might be all over the place. So just a little check of that shoulder, all right? Then you know exactly where the space is in a football match. So your first one, I'm going to play a pass into you. I want you to receive it on your back foot, come across here, and then play the pass back to me, and that's one. We're going to do 5 on your right foot. Okay, you ready? So move into the space, and let's play. Control, good, and pass back. Brilliant. Let's concentrate on that pass again. Are you ready? Can we do it in 2 touches? That's 1, 2, brilliant. One more. Across your body. Okay, fantastic. This time, we're going to go on the outside of the foot. So we're on our toes as the ball comes in, it's outside of the foot take, play the pass, okay? Think about your body shape, okay? So as the ball's coming in, can we get in line with the ball? That pass comes in, we get in line, going on the outside of our foot, okay? And then head over the ball to play the pass back to me. You ready? Let's play. Good touch and good pass, brilliant. Straight back in on those toes. Great touch, fantastic, brilliant. Left foot, exactly the same thing. You ready? Let's play. Good control, well played. We're now going to go left to right, okay? So as it comes in here, you're going to go with your left foot, control with the inside, and you're going to play back with your right foot, okay? So come back here. So left foot across your body, play. Good touch and play. Good boy. That's one. Across, brilliant touch. That's two.